this is the BeagleBoard organization, and I am going to introduce you to my project Improving Bone101 Experience. My name is Amragaey. I am a student at Faculty of Engineering at Shams University, and my mentors in this project are Jason Kretner and Alexander Heim. First, let me introduce you to Bone101. Bone101 is a platform for all users of the BeagleBone community. They can fork the repo and log in using their GitHub accounts. They can write tutorials and do-it-yourself projects. And if they have the BeagleBone connected, they can run the code live on the board. Bone101 is using BoneScript. It is a JavaScript library using GSOC'16, and it enables hardware control from web pages using remote procedure calls. In this project, I'm going to improve the experience of Bone101. Actually, I'm going into three phases: the BBUI, Python language, and Cloud9 IDE. The first phase I'm working on is BBUI. BBUI is a UI that allows users with no coding experience to interact with BeagleBoard. So they will be able to use ADC pins, digital input-output pins, and user LEDs located at the top of the board. Actually, BBUI was developed 2 years ago, but as we wanted to use it as a component in different pages, Jason re-implemented the code. So the new structure we are working on is divided into 4 classes: the canvas, the UI, events, and hardware. Let's run some demo on the BBUI. This is the user interface of the BBUI, and here we can see the different inputs: analog, digital, ground, power, and user LEDs. We are going to run some simple example of a toggling LED. So it is simply drag and drop. We'll drop user LEDs and connect it to the LED pin 3, and choosing a time interval, say 1.5 seconds. And then we will click on the play button, and sure, if the BeagleBone is connected to your PC, you will find the LED toggling on the board, and here you can see the corresponding voltage of this pin on the graph. In the second phase, I'm going to do some Python integration to Bone101. As Python integration will benefit a wide base of developers using Bone101, they will easily choose between writing JavaScript or Python on tutorials. In this phase, I'm going to use BBUI library. It was written by Alexander Heim. And what I will do is to write some BoneScript functions that create a new file for each Python code and running it on BeagleBone. And if the board is connected to your PC, you will notice an output on the board. Here we can see some example. If we have a layout on the Bone101 like this, and we write some Python code, it is toggling a LED every half a second. We will see the output on the board like this. In the third phase, I'm going to do a C9 integration with Bone101. So it would be a great experience for users if we bring up Bone101 experience into Cloud9 IDE. Cloud9 IDE is an online IDE. It's open source, and it is currently integrated with the BeagleBone. So if users are using Cloud9, they will benefit from the existing of Bone101 experience inside Cloud9 IDE. So it will be easily after that if they copy examples from tutorials into Cloud9 workspaces. Here you can find some links for resources I'm using, the different libraries and Bone101 project. If you have any questions or you have a feedback or comments on my project, I will appreciate that. You can find me at amragaey on GSOC'16, or you can reach by email. I'm attaching some link on the description of the video. Thank you.